This video shows you how to move a partition to another disk. If it's a data partition, D or E, you may move it to disk unallocated space. The unallocated space can be produced by shrinking a volume or deleting a volume. If it's the FI recovery or the C drive, you need to clone the whole disk to another one. Before moving the D to another disk, we see there are unallocated space on the same disk. You can move it to reposition, right-click and choose Move. And when the cursor shows cross arrows, you may move it to change the position with the unallocated space. And you may move the recovery to extend the C drive too. We will just show you how to move the D as an example. D was moved successfully on the same disk. Now we will show you how to move D to another disk. First, we need to create an allocated space. Right-click and choose Resize. When the cursor shows the two arrows, drag its border to shrink, and then click OK. We can see an allocated space was produced here. Click Apply Changes. Now to start moving a partition, like the data drive D to another disk. Right-click D. Choose Copy Partition and choose the destination disk, Unallocated. Choose Next and Finish and then click Apply Changes. Now, Drive D has a complete backup copy of Drive G as an example. Next, we will show you how to move the recovery or FI and the C drive to another disk. For example, if it's the C drive or the recovery, or the FI partition, they need to be bundled into one package. Here we go with option under the Tools bar. Click Migrate OS Wizard and choose Disk 1 as destination. This needs to delete all partitions on Disk 1. Click Next, and then Finish. And then click Apply Changes. The partitions on the Disk 0 has been moved to the Disk 1 successfully. Let's check the disk management. They are all the same now. Thanks for watching.